Hey everyone, welcome to my channel ASP.NET Core, and today I'm going to introduce a new project or you can say a new course for you in my membership program. And you know what is my membership program? In my membership program, I will give you complete video tutorial on .NET Core. I mean to say that beginning to advanced video tutorial on .NET Core, as well as I will provide you a complete video tutorial on Dapper, REST API, Angular, Entity Framework Core, MS Test Unit, .NET Blazor. And it's not only a video tutorial, it's actually project-based video tutorial I will give you. I will give you complete source code which is included and during the creation of this projects. And so I will provide you lots of video tutorial, 200 hours based video tutorial I will give you in just 800 rupees. Only one time fees, that is 800 rupees for Indian users and $15 for other country user like US, UK and Australia and other countries who can pay from the PayPal accounts. So if you want to join this membership, just go video description box and where you can find a Google form link and just fill the form and get your membership. And this is the form, full stack development course I will provide you. So just fill this form, your name, your email ID, your contact number, transaction reference ID or order ID or PayPal ID. If you belong from India, just pay using UPI ID, and here is my UPI QR code. Pay just 800 rupees. If you belong from other country, just pay using PayPal ID, and this is my PayPal ID, narenkumar851@gmail.com. Okay, so you can also use this QR code. Uh, the link actually available in your video description box. So if you want to get this membership, just fill this form. Okay, so this membership actually include lots of content, or project based content. So I will introduce a microservice based project also include in membership program. Okay, so microservices, what will cover this microservice project in the same this is in membership program. So microservice principle, why we use microservices, microservice architecture, .NET Core Microservices, .NET 8 MVC, microservices using .NET 8, .NET API with authentication authorization, JWT token authentication, role-based authorization with the .NET identity, enable cross-origin request, asynchronous, synchronous communication between microservices, Azure Service Bus, topics, queues, gateway, and microservices implementing, Ocelot gateway, gateway introduction in gateway features, create Ocelot gateway configuration, running and testing, caching, load balancing, and etc. Swagger open API implementation and layer implementation with repository pattern. ASP.NET Core web application with Bootstrap 5 entity framework core with SQL Server database. So I will implement a project on microservice based architecture, and I will cover these topics. So later videos you can see here we have a complete project on microservice. So if you want to join this membership, you get this content. Okay, you get the project based video tutorials and the complete source code of the project. I will cover these topics in my membership program. So you can see here we have ASP.NET Core course content, where we have introduction ASP.NET Core, getting started, directory structure, how MVC work, HTML helpers, built-in tag helpers, simple example of MVC like button click, event handling, database connection, entity framework core, migration, simple CRUD operation, question answers, 3-tier architecture, one-to-many relationship CRUD operations, 10 examples of one-to-many relationship, many-to-many relationship CRUD operation, Fluent API concept, one-to-one relationship CRUD operation on one-to-one relationship, and client-side validation, how it works, server-side validation, custom validation, anti-forgery attacks, a session, reusable components, theme, page utility. These all are topics, and I will cover complete, and I will send you the complete source code, complete video tutorials in your mail. Yeah, and then just after that, I will cover ASP.NET Web API like that. These are the topics. And just after that, Angular. These are the topics. C Sharp course for beginner and advanced. DSA topics. Signal R also I will cover. Uh, Only one time fees you can pay and just get these all unlimited content. Only one time fees. Just pay and get the content. That is the what is a bootstrap topics, microservices topics, JavaScript topics, and Blazor topics. These are the Blazor topics. So if you want to get this membership, just fill this form. Okay, thank you very much for watching this.